In the next few videos, you're going to see us put in this S&B filter, stock with air filter, stage 2 with air filter, stage 2 with delete, and eco adapter, so it'll have the factory exhaust, no aftermarket filter, then you'll see aftermarket filter, and then you'll see exhaust. Those are going to be the videos. You're also going to see the unboxing of the exhaust we're using from Rawtek Performance. So for this video, let's get into it and let's get to unboxing this beautiful intake that we purchased. Oh dear. This is like the second time I've ever bought an intake for anything, and the other one is sitting in my shop and I haven't done anything with it in like 5 months. So for this thing, you see this very large intake piece here. Okay, so now that it's out of this, you see that we have the air filter inside. So S&B recommends that you only use their air filter. So this is their air filter. Obviously it'll go in here like this. Along with this air box, you have this bottom piece that will go under here, and this other front intake scoop for the front to gather in that beautiful cold air. 2 grommets and a spacer that will bolt under here so that you can install the airbox into the factory location. Followed by an intake pipe, a hose, 4 clamps, 4 large clamps, 2 small clamps. Is there one more thing in here? Some more hardware. Obviously a gasket that goes into the airbox here. Another silicone hose with your plastic down pipe, and another silicone hose, which the 2 small clamps are for. One thing I forgot to show you is in this you will also have your carb legal sticker, which is great because we're doing a DPF delete, which is carb legal, right? I'm not allowed to say that. So this is the rubber that will go around the ring here, and this will be your fantastic clear plastic that will cover the filter and it will keep it out of the heat. One thing I also forgot to mention, here's another little block off plate. This is what comes in your S&B kit when you order it from Rawtek Performance. If you want this kit, I would recommend you go over to Rawtek Performance and you hit them up and you say Kurt sent you. I hope he remembers me. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, consider subscribing, and let us know how we did in the comments. If you like this video and you're looking to see what this intake would make on the different stages of your builds, so stock, aftermarket tune, and with a full delete. Going this route, you'll know exactly how much power to expect when you're adding this to your system, depending on your budget. Stay tuned and we'll have a dyno video, and I'll throw that one up over here. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care, and we'll see you on another episode of South Down Garage. Bye for now.